Alrighty, hey guys, Luigi36 here. Today I'm back for another video, and today I'm gonna cook this mac and cheese. But as you can see, I got a new microwave, and it's a Panasonic brand, and I'm gonna cook it for 2 minutes. And then after I do that, that's when I'll just eat it after when I'm done. So this is my new microwave. If you're wondering what happened to my old one, it stopped working, and we've had it for about 9 years. I got it somewhere in 2010, I believe. So I mean, it's 2018. So we've had it for about 9 years, and we got this thing about 3 or 4 days ago. So yeah, hope you enjoy watching it. I'll be right back.
Hot it is.
Yeah. It probably, I'm sure it does. Oh, that's it. I wasn't paying attention. So, yeah, that's it.
So, are you recording yourself cooking?
Yes, I am. Alright, well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.